Do you dream of pursuing higher education in the UK but worry about the funding? What if I told you there is a way, the best way to make it happen? Being a student in Kent isn't just about studying. It's about growing, leading, and making an impact. One day, I'm guiding future students, showing them why Kent is a place of endless opportunities. The next, I'm delivering workshops, mentoring students, and sharing knowledge. And then there are days when I'm at my lab bench, diving into biomedical research, exploring, discovering, and contributing to science. This is what I'm passionate about, pushing the scientific boundaries. But this journey wasn't possible without a powerful force behind me. Bestway Foundation changed my life. This fully funded scholarship gave me the opportunity to chase my dreams without any financial worries. And guess what? You can be the next. If you have a passion for science and the ambition to make a difference, Bestway is the way. So what are you waiting for? Apply now, take that leap, and start your journey.